Oh my God. Turn your lights on. Did they do it? Can't tell.
They've done studies, 60% of the time, it works every time.
Oh my God. Oh, they got him. You got him. I got you. Of course. Well, I want everyone to be able to see you, you know? He said thank you. You, turn your lights on. There you go. It's not like it's nighttime. You're welcome. It's nice when they say thank you. As opposed to, fuck off, I do what I want. You're not the police. I do what I want. Oh my God. You. Turn your lights on. Your headlights. Your headlights. Truck with half your lights on. You. Yeah. It's nighttime.
Guys, it's the beer house.
Ooh, yay. Turn your headlights on. Turn your headlights on. You. Thank you. God, they saw me. Oh my God. Turn your lights on, Prius. Turn your lights on. Your headlights. Yeah. You just extremely shallow cut that corner. Here. No, just the orange ones are on. There you go. Yep. Yeah. Turn on your lights! Your lights! They got it. Yay! See, it pays to be loud and annoying. Could have saved someone's life. Hey, what's this? There's no one there. Oh no, I ran the red light.
Gentlemen, a short view back to the past.
Prius without their lights on. You. You. Yeah.
All right.
Turn on your lights. You. There you go. They got it. See, it pays to be loud. Your headlights. Come on. Yeah, you got it.
12 seconds later.
Turn your lights on. You. Yeah. On the phone. Where are you going? Oh my god, dude. You know your lights aren't on. Your headlights. Your headlights. Yeah? You got? Yeah. And that person's missing a headlight. Oh my god. Prius. Turn your lights on. You. Oops. You, turn your lights on. Your lights. Your headlights. Headlights. Headlights.
They scared, bro.
Why are they scared of me?
They fucking crazy.
Stupid Prius.
Tell them they headlights.
It's always
That's on them.
it's always Priuses that don't have their headlights on. It's like, do you not know it's nighttime? I know I'm tall, but am I that scary? I'm just like, lights. Read my lips.
What you got to say?
Right.
Hey, yo, man, you got speakers?
I got like 10 of them holding up.
I see the JBL speakers. Oh, dude. Yeah, you got a camera.
I'm keeping my JBL on. I got the